Indoor plants for coastal home decor. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Decorating home with coastal vibes means creating a beautiful, refreshing indoor plants oasis in our living room. The best indoor plants for a coastal style home are: Number 1. Areca palm. The areca palm is a common house plant. They can grow to be quite tall with the proper care. The areca palm should be placed in a space where it can receive bright and direct light, and it likes its soil moist during the warmer months. Plant this palm in 10 inches pot and take well-draining sandy potting soil to keep the plant healthy. Number 2. Kentia palm. The Kentia palm is a beginner-friendly palm that will add a fresh air to a coastal-style home. Kentia palms are also known as century palms and have gorgeous palm leaves. This plant likes indirect sunlight, and it only needs to be watered when the top couple of inches of soil have become dry. Kentia palm do enjoy humid weather, therefore you can keep your palm happy with some misting if you live in a dry climate. Number 3. Ponytail palm. The ponytail palm is an interesting plant that got its name because of how it looks. Since it is not a real palm, it simply looks like palms. The ponytail palm is a succulent. It can add a beachy vibe to a coastal style home. The ponytail palm likes bright and direct sunlight and its soil on the drier side. You may need to water it in every 2 to 3 weeks. Number 4. Parlor palm. Also known as the Bela palm, the parlor palm is a common house plant that is easy to grow. This palm grows up to 3 feet only, that need moderate light and moist soil with good drainage. Its green, slim, arched leaves help to bring beachy vibe in a home. Number 5. Broadleaf lady palm. Known for its versatility and air purifying qualities, the lady palm flourishes in bright indirect light. It can thrive in well-draining sandy soil. Regular watering and occasional misting keep this plant vibrant, enhancing indoor air quality and add a beach vibe. Number 6. Pygmy date palm. Elevate your home's beach vibe with pygmy date palm. Its long, slender fronds create a lush atmosphere. Grow it in well-draining sandy soil, provide indirect sunlight, and water regularly to keep it thriving at 4 to 6 feet high. Number 7. Dragon tree. Dracena marginata with its thick, sword-shaped green foliage with red tips add a coastal beach vibe in home. Thriving in bright light, it brings dramatic flair indoors. Maintain well-draining soil and let it grow to an impressive height of 5 to 8 feet. Number 8. Fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig adds dimension with its glossy dark green foliage. Thriving in bright light, maintain well-draining soil and occasional misting to keep this stunning decorative piece at its best. Number 9. Rubber plant. The rubber plant has thick shiny leaves, dark green or burgundy in color. They can grow quite tall and look amazing in any corner of a coastal style home. This plant likes bright and direct light, moist but not constantly wet soil. Number 10. Monstera. Also known as Swiss cheese plant, the Monstera has the perfect tropical look, which is great for a coastal style home. They like bright and direct light and a regular watering schedule. Number 11. Bird of Paradise. Bird of Paradise is a plant that has beautiful large leaves and requires a good amount of space. This plant likes bright and direct light and its soil to be kept moist during spring and summer. Number 12. Elephant ear plant. The elephant ear plant is a beautiful tropical looking plant that can grow to be very large and beautiful, which is how it got its name. This plant likes bright and direct light and moist soil and humidity. So, you can help them by spraying water once a day. Friends, you may also consider ZZ plant, snake plant, Scaphilera, peace lily, yucca, Alocasia amazonica, Elijah Blue, Little Gem Dwarf Southern Magnolia, Sea Lavender, Seashore Mallows, Coast Rosemary, Beach Salt Bush, Maiden Grass, Moroccan Sea Holly, Seaside Daisy, New Zealand Cabbage Tree, Scrupine, Blue Fescue, Mountain Flax, etc. Friends, incorporating these beach plants into your indoor space adds a touch of coastal charm and transforms your home into a tropical oasis. Remember, the key is to provide the right conditions, well-lit areas, well-draining sandy potting soil, and occasional pruning. This diverse selection makes cultivating your indoor beach paradise achievable and rewarding. So, let these plants guide you on a journey to create a serene and sunny ambience inside your home. Create coastal-style home. I'm wishing you best of luck from my side. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. I will try to give my level best to help you. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.